Embrace multifunctional furniture. When every square foot counts, multifunctional furniture is your best friend. The key is to choose pieces that serve more than one purpose. A sofa that doubles as a guest bed, or a coffee table with built-in storage, offers a great start. Murphy beds are another brilliant option. Folding them away when not in use frees up precious floor space. Consider expandable dining tables. They can extend when guests arrive and shrink back when it's just you. Ottomans work in multiple ways: seating, storage, and even as a coffee table. Modular shelving systems offer flexibility, allowing you to rearrange or expand as needed. This adaptability makes them a versatile choice for small spaces. The beauty of multifunctional furniture is its ability to reduce clutter and keep the space open and airy. By consolidating usability into fewer pieces, you ensure that your living area remains functional without being overcrowded. Another advantage is mobility. Look for pieces that can be easily moved or reconfigured to suit different activities throughout the day. Portable kitchen islands or rolling carts, for example, offer extra prep space when needed and can be stored away when not in use. Murphy beds are an iconic space saver, folding up to create more floor space. These beds come in stylish designs that often feature extra storage or a desk, making them ideal for small apartments or studios. Ottomans, too, are a compact marvel. Some models provide hidden storage for blankets or magazines, and they can also be used as an extra seat or a makeshift coffee table. Ultimately, selecting furniture that serves multiple purposes maximizes every inch of your home, making it feel dynamic and efficient. What multifunctional piece could change the way you live in your small space?